Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chicken coop doors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the IBkin X Automatic Chicken Coop Door Solar Powered. This coop door comes with a 2000 mAh battery that can be charged via solar power or USB-C, making it a reliable and eco-friendly choice. It features 4 operating modes, including light sensor mode, timer mode, remote control, and manual mode, giving you exceptional flexibility. The anti-pinch protection ensures your chicken's safety by automatically stopping and reopening the door if it detects resistance. The design is robust, crafted from aluminum alloy, which is both weatherproof and waterproof. It functions seamlessly in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a great option for extreme climates. The larger LCD screen is a bonus, allowing clear visibility of the settings. The door opening measures 9.6 inches by 8.2 inches, suitable for chickens, ducks, rabbits, and other poultry weighing up to 10 pounds. While the IBkin X offers good performance, it ranks lower on our list due to its moderate customer ratings and slightly limited battery capacity compared to other options. However, if you need a versatile, solar-powered option with a solid build and easy installation, this is a solid pick. Pros include its eco-friendly design, anti-pinch safety, and user-friendly interface. On the downside, it's not the most durable compared to some competitors, and the battery may need frequent recharging in low light conditions. Coming in at number 4 is the Bredeson's Automatic Chicken Coop Door. This product impresses with its high-efficiency solar power system, backed by a 2000 mAh low-temperature resistant battery. It supports both solar and USB charging, making it eco-friendly and versatile. With 4 operation modes, light sensor, timer, hybrid, and manual, it offers great flexibility for managing your coop. The anti-pinch mechanism is customizable with adjustable closing strength settings, ensuring the safety of your flock. Design-wise, Bredeson's features premium aircraft-grade aluminum construction, making it weatherproof and durable in extreme conditions, from -10 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Its oversized LCD display is another highlight, providing enhanced visibility and intuitive controls. The spacious door opening of 10 inches by 7.9 inches accommodates chickens of various sizes and even small ducks. While this door is well-built and packed with features, the higher weight of 2.48 pounds may make installation slightly more cumbersome. It's an excellent choice for those who prioritize safety and usability, but the limited customer reviews so far prevent it from ranking higher. Pros include its weather-resistant build, anti-pinch customization, and large, easy-to-read display. The cons? It's slightly heavier and less tested in the market compared to the competition. At number 3, we have the Nipot's Automatic Chicken Coop Door. This solar-powered door is equipped with a timer and light sensor, allowing you to automate opening and closing based on natural light or specific times. Its LCD display makes setup easy, with clear and flexible adjustments. You can also switch to manual mode or use the included remote control with a 20-meter range for added convenience. The Nipot's door is crafted from aluminum alloy and ABS plastic, offering durability and weather resistance. It's designed to operate in temperatures as low as -26 Celsius, -14.8 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for harsh conditions. The anti-pinch function ensures your chickens are safe during operation, and the door will bounce back and reattempt closure if resistance is detected. Installation is simple, taking just 10 minutes with the included tools and screws. This door is a fantastic option for small to medium-sized poultry, including chickens, ducks, and rabbits under 10 pounds. However, the smaller door opening, 9.6 by 8.2 inches, may not be ideal for larger birds. Pros include its versatile modes, durable materials, and user-friendly design. On the downside, the smaller opening size may limit some use cases, and the reliance on proper solar charging conditions could be a drawback in less sunny regions. Taking the number 2 spot is the Dordan Automatic Chicken Coop Door. This product has been fine-tuned over 3 years, featuring a mature and stable operation system powered by a light sensor, timer, or manual override. The highlight here is its adaptability to low-temperature weather, thanks to a special battery that operates reliably from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The larger door opening, 14.9 by 11 inches, is perfect for chickens, ducks, and even geese. Dordan's build quality stands out with a high-quality aluminum alloy construction, which is both robust and resistant to deformation. It includes a power-off emergency mode, where you can open the door manually using a mechanical knob. The anti-pinch rotating door design prevents injuries to your chickens, and the 7-watt solar panel ensures reliable charging even during cloudy days. This door is a top choice for those in colder or more unpredictable climates. However, the heavier weight of 4.07 pounds makes it less ideal for smaller setups. It's a durable, feature-packed option, perfect for medium to large coops. Pros include its spacious design, cold weather battery, and anti-pinch safety. Cons? It's slightly heavier and pricier than others in this list. And finally, our top pick at number 1 is the Inoland Automatic Chicken Coop Door. This upgraded 2025 model features an extra-large aluminum door with a durable motor and frame, making it perfect for chickens, ducks, and even geese. The standout feature here is the large programmable LCD screen, which makes setting up the timer mode incredibly intuitive, even for beginners. The anti-pinch safety mechanism is one of the best we've seen, stopping the door if an obstacle is detected and reattempting closure after a pause. The Inoland door is weather-resistant, functioning reliably from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and its battery life is impressive, lasting up to 6 months and 3 AA batteries. A low battery warning ensures you're never caught off guard, and the twist-lock battery compartment makes replacements quick and hassle-free. The lightweight aluminum and ABS plastic build, just 1.3 pounds, makes it easy to install on most coops. This door earns the top spot for its combination of features, ease of use, and robust safety mechanisms. It's perfect for users who want the reliable, hassle-free option with advanced functionality. The only downside, it doesn't include a solar panel, so it relies entirely on batteries. Still, at this level of performance, it's hard to beat. Pros include its intuitive setup, lightweight design, and excellent safety features. Cons? No solar option, and batteries not included. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.